Bingo, bango, bongo on shop, you guys. How about that? How about going from the doghouse to the penthouse? Now, that was half your position in shop. Give me a couple minutes here. We'll reevaluate what we want to do on the rest. Maybe it'll be a stop exit. Maybe we'll just put another limit exit out above. Okay? Okay, Boeing, I see a couple 35 centers. I see a 40 center. That's great, Shane. That's what our 38 cents. That's amazing. Amazing, guys. 2 days, 60% on a credit spread for half. Only half. All right, guys. TLT. Let's just exit this thing completely. No stop exit. I'm going to put a stop exit, not a stop exit. I'm going to put an exit order out there for $1.10 or better. Okay, let's sell this thing at $1.10 or better. That'll be over 100%. Okay, let me get that going here. Eric, see, once again, great minds think alike. Now, remember our conversation yesterday, and I want to say it was either William or Raymond that brought this up, why and where we would want to exit in TLT. And a lot of it was technical because it's getting down to a real big support area here. And there could be a little bit of a pop.